Hey everybody, it's great. I'm really looking forward to Cal Spoon's Mend the Fracture conference. It's going to come up at the Trump Hotel on November 11th and 12th, and I'm very excited. I'm getting a chance to go and speak to you about something that I think is just really important to help get you ahead in your claims business that you've got going on. And what I'm going to talk about is to be rather than seem. And I always tell people, if you had to look at yourself in the mirror, would you be the person that you would want to hire more than anybody else in your field to do that job? And in this day and age, when we talk about social media and people can pretend to be anything, we really don't want to be pretending. We want to be that person. And it's a really high calling to do. And it's really a tough question to ask yourself as well, because it makes everybody squirm when you have to ask yourself that question. Am I that person that I would hire? And certainly in the claims business, we have an obligation to our client, to our customer, to be the very best person that we can. And that's the great thing about Cal Spoon, what he's trying to do. This Mend the Fracture, really, I've known Cal for a pretty long time. And the one thing I found about Cal is he's been able to change himself individually to be a better person than what he used to be. And the things that he used to do to be successful 10 years ago, 5 years ago, even a couple years ago, it's changed. And Cal's also learned a very valuable lesson that at least in this life, you're stronger as a team, and trying to get other people to have that same goal, that same mindset, to be that person and to connect with others who want to be the best is the best place and best position you can make for yourself. So we're going to talk about these types of issues. Mending the Fracture. I'm really looking forward to see Cal, and I look forward to seeing you there November 11 and 12.